A 75 milliliter solution of HCl with an unknown concentration is titrated to the equivalence point with 27.3 milliliters with a concentration of 0.157 CaOH2. What is the concentration of HCl in the original solution? So if we draw a picture of what we know, we start with our HCl, and we know that we have 75 milliliters as our volume, and to convert that to liters, it's going to become 0.075 liters of HCl, and we do not know the concentration of HCl because that's what we are trying to figure out. And for CaOH2, we know that our volume is 27.3 milliliters, which converts to 0.0273 liters, and we know our concentration is 0.157. So once we get our balance equation, we are going to have 2 HCl plus CaOH2 which makes 2 H2O plus CaCl2. Now that we know our balance equation, we can figure out our concentration of HCl by knowing that the concentration of HCl equals our moles of HCl divided by the volume, which is 0.075 liters. To find, we also know that the moles of CaOH2 is equal to 0.175 concentration times the volume of 0.0273 liters. And the moles of CaOH2 is equal to 0.004286 by multiplying the concentration times the volume. Now once we know the moles of CaOH2, we can figure out the moles of HCl by using this balanced equation. We multiply the moles of CaOH2 by the number of moles that go into CaOH2 of HCl's, which equals 0.00875 moles of HCl. Now that we know our moles of HCl, we take that, and we know that moles divided by volume equals concentration. So we're going to take the moles of HCl divided by the initial volume that we got, which is 0.075 liters, and we get the concentration of HCl, which is 0.114. A common mistake that people make is many people forget to balance out this equation, and if you don't know that there are 2 HCl's and not 1, then you will not be able to figure out the proper moles of HCl right here because you won't be able to multiply by 2.